Yeah, the next experiment in basic simulation lab, that is waveform synthesis using Laplace transform. How we are synthesize the given signals using a Laplace transform. For that we have to write the program. Here different functions are there. F1, F2, F3, three functions are there. That three functions we have to add the three functions. Here I am writing a program for waveform synthesis using a Laplace transform program. Okay. Now here this is the program for waveform synthesis a Laplace transform. Here t my time is there. This is the CLC, clear the particular window purpose. Now we are using and time axis is first. Now I am generating one signal, that is on that signal generation purpose my time axis is 0 to 5 with that increment of 5. Time axis is 0 to 5 with that increment of 5. Okay. Now S is equal to T. S, now I am assuming this S is equal to T. Okay. In the signal subplot of 2 comma 3 comma 1, 2 rows 3 columns, first location. Now I am displaying this S signal. Okay na? This signal plot of what is this T with respect to S, T with respect to S. Okay na? And here u of ones, one signal is there, one new signal is there. That new signal, now I am generating the new signals, all the amplitudes are ones we require, 1 comma 6. How many points are there? Here 6 points. Each and every amplitude of the signal is particular 1 only. That signal now I want to plot in second location. Subplot of 2 comma 3 comma 2, plot of t comma u. Now I am plotting this t with respect to u. Here in this 6 points are there. Here also time axis 6, 0 to 6 only. Okay na? All the amplitudes are plot of t comma u. Amplitudes are ones. Okay. Next, I am taking one new function, that is the function f1. That f1 is equal to t in t dot of star into u. What is the star of dot into u? Here t is there, one signal, that signal amplitude. Now here u is there, one signal, one more signal is there. We have to multiplying this element to element multiplication. Okay na? That output we have to show in this third location, plot of f1. Now I am plotting this in f1. Okay na? Now I am taking one new one, that is S2, that is equal to, now I want to new signal, that is S2, that is equal to minus 2 into t minus of 1. Minus 2 into t minus of 1. T is there, this is the signal, t minus of 1. T minus of 1 means t from minus 5 only up to 6 signals only. Okay na? We are getting that signal, we are getting plot in fourth location, that is plot of S2. Where now I am taking here u1, one function, one new signal, that is u1, that signal 0 1 1 1 1 1. Okay na? The amplitude, the discrete points at the, these are the amplitude of u1. Now I want to add this f2, one more new function f2, that is equal minus 2 into t minus of 1, minus 2 into t minus of 1 into u1. That means this output, whatever this output is there, that output is multiplying with this u1, element to element multiplication. Okay na? That output we have to plot in subplot of fifth position, 2 comma 3 comma 5, fifth position. That is what is this? That is f2. That is f2. And next one is, now I am taking that one more function, that is u2, that is equal 0 0 1 1 1 1, and f3, that is equal to t minus of 2 into u2. u2 means what is this u2 sir? Here in this u2 means, here already mentioned that this is the u2 and t minus of 2 is the output of this one, t minus of 2, the output of this one, t minus of 2 into u2. Now then we have to plot this in subplot, that is 2 comma 3 comma 6, that is plot of 3. Now we are adding these three functions f1, f2, f3. f is equal to f1 plus f2 plus f3. That is plot of what is this t with respect to this output. Now we are getting some output. Okay na? Here this is not required. A percentage of n is equal to exponential to minus t, and n is equal to unit 8 into n. Unit 8 into f means we have to multiplying that unit function with this amplitude 8. Okay. Actually, if we are removing this also, we are getting that output. Okay. Now save and run. Save and run the program. Now we are getting this output. Yeah. These are output. This is output. First one, this is what is this? One signal, that is t function. T function. Now next one is, this is unit step function. All the amplitudes are ones. All the amplitudes are 1. The next one is f1. Now I am creating f1, and this is f2. This is f3. Okay na? Sorry. Next one is subplot of t into u. This means multiplication of this 2. This 2 means this output. And now I am generating these signals f1, f2, f3. Now addition of what are the common portion is there in this f1 plus f2 plus f3. That common portion is displayed here. Here this is the common portion. Common portion is displayed here. The output is, this is common portion. From at 0 to 2 only we are getting amplitude is 1. Amplitude is 1. This is output. Output is common portion. What is the common portion is there? 0 to 2. The amplitude is 1. This is the waveform synthesizing. What this synthesizing means? Here different functions. Whatever the common signal is there, we are identifying the particular common signal. Here 0 to 2 only we are having output signal. Okay.